Si Elon Musk ba ang biggest wallet holder ng Dogecoin ngayon? Bakit laging na-i-involve si Elon Musk kapag may mga pagtaas o pagbaba ng presyo ng coin na ito? Marahil ikaw din ay nagtatanong, Miranda. So in this video, pag-uusapan natin ano nga ba ang history between Dogecoin and si Elon Musk para ma-figure out natin totoo ba na pwede siya ang number one hodler ng Dogecoin ngayon sa buong mundo. Noong mga nakakaraang araw mga kamiranda, ang Twitter ay nagpalit ng kanilang Bluebird logo at ito ay pinalitan ng Dogecoin, yung Shiba Inu dog known for the meme coin trend. Halos sumiba ng 40% ang presyo ng coin na ito at halos ito ay katulad noong 2021 na marami ang nagsasabi na noong nag-guest sa Saturday Night Live si Elon Musk that the cryptocurrency Dogecoin can potentially go to $1. Pero ang tanong, si Elon Musk ba ay ang number one hodler nito? Balikan muna natin, Miranda, yung quick Dogecoin history na nagsimula ng 2013. Ang Dogecoin ay isang joke between the two engineers ng IBM na sila Billy Marcos at Adobe software engineer Jackson Palmer. Sila ay nagkita noong 2013 at sila ang nagsimula ng greatest phenomena Bitcoin and Doge. Nagkaroon ito ng resulta na Dogecoin. Si Dogecoin ay isang produkto na nagsimula sa paggamit ng joke ng mga tao noon sa social media. Much to the surprise of Palmer and Billy Marcos, halos 1 milyon unique visitors ang pumupunta sa dogecoin.com on the first month na paglabas nito noong 2013. Ito ay nagkaroon ng popularity nung similar na taon nung ito ay nag-feature ng picture ng Shiba Inu dog noong same na taon. Dahil ito ay isang meme, ito ay pwedeng mag-represent ng joke about pagtulog or naps, early morning diets, even space exploration. Before nilabas yung produkto noong 2013, si Palmer have been following developments in the cryptocurrency world and he was tweeting very absent-minded pa nga. Sabi niya nga, investing in Dogecoin, pretty sure it's gonna be the next big thing. Nagulat na lang si Palmer na ang daming nag-comment doon sa tweet na yon encouraging him to pursue the idea, and a week later ay binili nila yung domain na dogecoin.com and inevitably the idea got picked up on Reddit and the hotbed of Doge activity started on 2013. Nga pala Miranda, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on like and subscribe so you're updated for everything about cryptocurrency, technical analysis, fundamentals, and these types of new knowledge for you in crypto. Maraming salamat. So apparently, itong si Dogecoin ay nag-i-spike because people believe na si Elon Musk ay mag-i-integrate di umano ng payment system na Dogecoin sa Twitter. Siyempre, ito ay isang pinakamalaking blogging platform na, if you remember, he paid $43 billion to pay the company called Twitter at magiging malaking deal kapag ilalagay ang Dogecoin as an official payment in Twitter itself. Miranda, ang Twitter ay maraming daily active users and many of them are high profile. So kahit ang small porsyento nito ay gumamit at mag-transact ng Dogecoin as a payment system in Twitter, whether a joke or not, it's completely going to be very speculative at maaaring pwedeng maniwala na magiging reason ito na acceptable na si Dogecoin sa Twitter at pwede itong mag-pump. Mind you, si Twitter actually has a payment feature na Bitcoin Lightning Network na naka-integrate na. So iniisip ng mga tao, Miranda, na mas magiging madaling mag-integrate ng Dogecoin kung meron ng existing Litecoin network within Twitter itself. Following a series of tweets, lumipad ang Dogecoin to almost 31% noong Monday to a record high value of 0.083745. Miranda, dahil dito lumipad ang Dogecoin to become one of the top 10 digital coins by market value according to CoinMarketCap ng mga oras na iyon. Miranda, hindi ito ang unang pagkakataon na nagkaroon ng manipulation ng presyo ng Dogecoin at ito ay nangyari na in the past as well. Kung matandaan ninyo, the first time it happened in early 2020, Dogecoin jumped after Tesla founder tweeted about a meme. He apparently got a taste of something he enjoys, yung kanyang kapangyarihang mag-influence through posting. Because he pulled similar moves again and again, each time pinapataas nito yung stake. And yung probability na mag-pump ang coin pero over time, itong joke na ito ay nawala na ng bisa. May mga pagkakataon din na siya ay pumagitna sa dispute between Doge traders and crypto exchange Binance. Tesla, his car company, would also allow Doge payments, Miranda. Matandaan din natin na si Musk ay nagplano na i-bring si Dogecoin sa space with a SpaceX satellite launch. Over 30-some tweets up to the end of 2022, he was able to pump the price of Dogecoin by 4.5% average, Miranda, according to the crypto-skeptical news Protos. May mga speculation din na Musk can be the massive Dogecoin holder, though it's not really that sure, no? Pero kung matandaan ninyo, noong 2019 April 2, merong lumabas na tweet ang Dogecoin kung saan naghahanap sila ng potential na CEO. Obviously, when Palmer went out of the picture, naghahanap sila ng CEO. And during that time sa botohan, Elon Musk got 54.4%. Sumunod lang si Marshall Hayner, Vitalik, and Charlie Lee ng Litecoin. So, marami pa rin talaga nag-iisip na potentially siya talaga ang pinakamalaking hodler ng Dogecoin because of the time he's investing for the coin itself. Meron ding mga speculation na he was actually alleging to purposely drove up the price of the Dogecoin by the evidence of his tweets noong 2021 nung Saturday Night Live appearance as a host, only to short the crypto when it collapsed eventually. On March 31, yung mga lawyer ni Elon Musk asked to throw the suit, saying his statements were too vague and to be considered fraudulent. O ikaw, Miranda, ano sa palagay mo? Comment down below if you believe that Dogecoin is a potential coin na pinakamalaking holder si Elon Musk. Hinga, comment down below if you agree with all of the circumstantial evidences na pinakita natin, or this remains to be proven. Well, in my perspective, this remains to be proven, Miranda. We can only assume, obviously, because wala namang pangalan na nakalagay dyan sa wallet na yan kung kanya ba ito o hindi, tulad ng mga bangko. Maraming salamat nga pala sa mga nag-comment sa ating video ng Gcash or Gcrypto. Of course, maraming salamat per Tasio Crades, always commenting, Charlier Darts, Maymay, Romel Tagas, Master, Mo9, Redis Ases, Client Line, Jules Con, Malictus, J. Lopez, Alistair, Pichu, and Christian Santos. Maraming salamat, Miranda, and I love you 3,000.
Subscribe, like, follow, and share. Sige na please, Miranda.